up, y'all? It is your girl Glenda, and we're back with another episode of What You Cooking Glenda. If you would like to be part of G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now, on to this video. On tonight's video, we are making chicken pot pie using this pretty little rotisserie chicken. Yep, got this from the grocery store. I am going to debone it basically. Take off the skin because I don't want that. If you want that in your pot pie, go right ahead and do so. The ingredients that we're going to be using, of course, is this rotisserie chicken. Back here, you will see we've got some cream of chicken, some cream of celery, some garlic and onion powder. I'm also going to be using some black pepper, some of that Sazón Goya perfect seasoning, some adobo, as well as a little bit of chicken bouillon. And then over here to my right is some frozen peas and carrots, because it's my business. I could do that. If you want to use a can, go right ahead. Do what you got. Use what you got. I said do what you got. Then we also have some mild cheese here, some onions, pie crust because you need your crust, and we've got some heavy cream. So yeah, that is it. That's all. This is super simple, and y'all can do this, y'all. Your own chicken pot pie, your homemade chicken pot pie. It can be done. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Get that out the way. Now, one thing that you can do. This pie crust is the rollout pie crust, but you can just buy like the frozen pie crust shells, thaw them out, and use those if you want to. You just need to like get a second one to put on top if you want the crust to be on top as well. So I bought this rotisserie chicken just a couple of days ago, and it's been in the fridge, and I definitely had it for this, just for this purpose. We got Curtis in the house. Everybody, make sure y'all say hey to Curtis in the comment section. He is a new graduate. Congratulations, Curtis, on a job well done. He graduated from high school with a 4.34, GPA. So yeah, y'all go on and hit that comment section and bless your nephew with some positivity. And if you would like to bless him, his Cash App is $ King, King, Kurt, CURT 100. If you would like to bless him, we are not asking. Listen, y'all do what y'all want to do, but we know we have some very beautiful subscribers over here who support our channel wholeheartedly. So I would be amiss if I did not go ahead and mention his Cash App, if that's what you guys would like to do. If not, listen, send those good prayers and congratulations, because it was a job well done. I was a very proud mother. I did have my moments where I was like, man, my baby's graduating. I had my moments where I teared up. I had my moments where I was like Celie on on Color Purple. Right. Nothing but death can keep me from it. Waving like I won't go ever see him no more. Like, hey Curtis, you did it. I had my moments. Your pops was trying to act all hard and stuff, but he was like, hey, he really did this. Yeah, he's having his little moments. And y'all, this is a quick meal too. Like if you prep this maybe the night before, or you know, like I said, you can run to the store, pick up a rotisserie chicken if you don't want to boil and shred your chicken and all of that. And this brand is the HEB brand. Y'all know that's my local grocery store. And let me see. Let me show y'all. It is the Mesquite Barbecue rotisserie chicken. And by this time, you guys should have also seen another video that I that I used a different rotisserie chicken for. What video was that? What did I cook?
The lasagna.
Oh, yes. You guys should have seen the chicken Alfredo lasagna that I made with rotisserie chicken. So it has its benefits, y'all. It has its benefits. It's perfectly seasoned, most of it. Now that last one was not perfectly seasoned. Definitely had to add some more seasoning because I think it was like a natural chicken or something. It didn't have like barbecue flavoring or anything like that. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna finish taking this meat off the bone, and then we will be right back to show you how to put the filling together and how we're gonna put our crust in our foil pan. Okay. All right. So we have deboned as much as I'm going to debone from the rotisserie chicken, and I'm just kind of chopping it up. You can break this up with your hands if you want to, or just kind of do like I'm doing, a good rough chop, just like so that you don't have really big pieces of meat. Now, if you want that, do your thing, but I'm just doing it just like this. Little one piece is body. All right, so I'm gonna add this back to this little container here. Set that to the side, and I'm gonna chop up some onion. Same knife, same cutting board. You can use as little or as much onion as you prefer, because what do I say, Curtis? It's your what?
It's your.
If you don't want no onions, don't use them. The onions bring out a lot of flavor. And I'm just not making really thick slices. I'm just, you know, do what you want to do. I'll be right back, y'all. So, yeah, I found just a few little small ribs of celery, and I'm going to add that to this vegetable mixture. You add whatever you want to add. If you want to add bell peppers and stuff like that, you add whatever you want to add to your chicken pot pie. I know I'm using cream of celery, but I'm going to add this to it as well. All right, so I just added a little bit of olive oil to this. All right, so we're just gonna add our vegetables, onions, and our celery to that. And let those saute for just a second in that butter and a little bit of olive oil. It probably was like a teaspoon of olive oil. This was a medium high heat. Just mix it up for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna go in and add some garlic, and you're only gonna cook this garlic until you start smelling it, until it's fragrant to your nose. And y'all know we have to season all of our layers. So I'm creating our first layer, so to speak. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with our frozen veggies, add a little black pepper to it, and I'm gonna mix that up. Now I'm just gonna go in with our chicken. We're moving relatively quick, as you can see. Chicken that you chopped up, and I'm gonna add in our cream of chicken and our cream of celery to this. And I'm probably gonna add in a can, because I'm gonna fill this back up, of hot water. It's chicken and cream of celery. This water going, let it get hot. In the meantime, we're just gonna mix this up. And what you're doing is creating your filling, if you didn't know. And this is just the way that I'm doing it. Everybody has a different way. I'm sure you can look on YouTube and find many different recipes, many different ways to do this chicken pot pie. Y'all know I just try to provide a little base, and you can do with it what you please. Water to this. I may need some more, but we're gonna see, because I am gonna add the heavy cream in a few minutes. So let's season this up. You wanna watch your salt content. If you're watching your salt content, then you need to maybe get the Campbell's soup that is low sodium, so that way you can add in as much of these next seasonings that you need to add in. I'm gonna taste this so I can make sure that I don't overdo it. Okay, that's already pretty good right there. Yep, I'm going in with some adobo, but it does lack the salt that I need. Some garlic powder and some onion powder. You season to taste, or to the ancestors tell you to stop. That's enough. A little bit of Goya, the perfect seasoning. And I am going to add some more black pepper, because love black pepper. Put some more in my cellar here. All right. And then I'm going to add in some chicken bouillon. That probably was, what do you say, a teaspoon? Or a teaspoon and a half? What would you say, Kurt?
2.
I thought that was 2 teaspoons. So let's just say a tablespoon there. And with us just adding in 1 can of hot water, it looks actually like it's thick enough right now, like where we don't have to add the heavy cream to it. That's pretty good flavor. Now, I'm going to tell you this. I could have backed off of the chicken bouillon just a teensy bit. Just a teensy bit. Now, I'm going to add a tiny bit more water. Thin it out. I know I'm going to thin it out and then I'm going to thicken it back up. Let's let this simmer and we'll see if we need to add the heavy cream. We're going to let that simmer on like a medium heat. Get rid of our seasoning and we're going to work on our crust. So we're gonna see you back here in just a second. Let's clean this up first. Just unrolled our first Pillsbury Doughboy or Pillsbury pie crust. And I'm just gonna lay it in the bottom of this greased pan. I just sprayed it with a little bit of Pam just to kind of help manipulate the dough. And I don't think I'm like going up the sides and all of that stuff. This is just something that's quick, easy. I think we're just gonna leave it just like this. What you think?
Okay.
What do you think though? You think I should go up the sides?
I mean, the chicken pot pie is normally up the sides, but we're doing it our way.
Alright, that's what we're rolling with. And I feel like what I'm gonna do is put this in the oven for just a few minutes and let it cook a little bit for like 5 minutes. Let it cook a little bit. Alright? Be right back when I take this out of the oven. We're gonna fill it and put our topping on it, and that's it. Alright, so this is what it looks like out the oven. Just cooked a little bit, and y'all, don't come for me in the comment section, okay? I didn't go up the sides. This is just for at home, okay? So we're gonna fill it with our filling. Probably gonna have a little left over. It looks absolutely delicious, though, I know that much. Next time, I'll probably just use a round pie crust shell. But I had these leftover crusts from the peach cobbler that I made, so I needed to use it. Just enough for this pan. And I took out the other dough and just kind of rolled it out to thin it out some so it can have a better coverage. I do have some more dough over here in case I need to like add to it. So we're just gonna try to carefully pick it up without it tearing if we can, and just place it over it like so. Turn it some. Leave it kind of ribboned, I guess, like that. What you thinking, Curtis?
Looks good. Easy coverage.
Now y'all listen, this is my first chicken pot pie. So mistakes will happen. And if you want more crust, put you some more crust. Now, I'm gonna cut some slits through here just for a little breathing room for the filling. Nothing spectacular. And they ain't even all the way in the middle. Do what you want to do. Should do them like this one. Whatever. Alright, so what else you think we should add to the top of this? Nothing? No more decor? Some parsley flakes for prettiness? Sprinkle a little bit over the top? No? Curtis says no, y'all. How about some more extra crust?
No, I think it's good.
So this is going in the oven 350 degrees until your top is nice and golden brown. Your bottom should be good to go at that point, and then you're going to take it out, let it set for at least 30 minutes, y'all, before cutting into it. All right, going into the oven.
All right, y'all, so this is the finished result of the pot pie. It is very crispy on the top, as you can see. Look, very crispy on the top and golden brown. So make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you let this sit out for 30 minutes. Like my mom said earlier, make sure you let it sit out so that everything can set, and then cut into it. So make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. And we'll see you next time on another episode of What You Cooking, Glenda. Bye.